What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bramil. We're back again with another video after like 3 months of not filming, but today we're in the daily, just chilling right now. Anyways, this is just an update on the car. I don't want to talk too long in the intro, but I want you guys to stay tuned to see what I've been up to with the car and see where the process is with it, because I've done a little like tweaking here and there on the build. So I'll finally be getting it back tonight, so I'll film some of that because I don't want to film too much, but I know you guys are gonna love it, so do not skip the video, bro. You guys are gonna like it. I'm just gonna surprise you guys on what we've done on the car, and that is it, bro. Look at all the Christmas lights and stuff that's in my neighborhood. Can't even see it, but stay tuned, guys, and like and share this video. Make sure you go down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of it. All right, peace. We're back, guys. So as you can see, we got the VORSTEINERS wheels. We put all season tires on them, so we about to run to the shop. My boy is about to come here in a couple of minutes. He's about to drop me off at the shop, so I can throw these bad boys on, so when I'm driving home I'm more safe. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit as soon as he comes. This is how the engine bay is looking. It's beautiful. We got the KLM single turbo kit on.
So that's why I wasn't trying to do too much tweaks. I want to keep.
But that shit looks beautiful. We still have a lot more to do though. So you should stay tuned for all of that. We're just testing to see if there's any leaks on the turbo kit, and so far everything's running smooth. So hopefully I can get a few sound clips today so I can post it on the YouTube. But support the channel, bro. This build is gonna be so fire on the channel. It's just because it's gonna be snowing soon. It's a lot of a inconvenience, because I won't be able to drive the car a lot, but you guys will love it. Let me show you how the engine bay looks. Look, inside the car is super dirty. Oh, this is what it's looking like. We got our boost controller over there, like the max solenoid, the KLM kit. Shout out to my boys at KLM. We got all the CSFCOOLING stuff, the intake manifold. We got the radiator and a few other stuff that I won't disclose on the channel yet, but this is how it's looking like. We got the KLM catch can, all the goodies, bro. And now we about to do a lot more stuff, so you guys should definitely stay tuned and keep an eye on the build. Yeah, just follow me on Instagram at B50 Clips, and the next video will probably be a little drive along so you can hear how the turbo spools. So guys, this will be the official startup of the car. So here we go. Hopefully there's no hiccups or anything, but just listen to that turbo though. All right, What's up again? It's 2 days after the video that I did, but this is the continuation. So we about to see what's on feet. We got the hood rich pants on with the Air Forces and the beautiful spec M340 in the garage. Unfortunately, we won't be keeping it here because we got to bring it back to the shop to finish a few stuff. But today I'll just be doing a little POV of the car on the way there. So I want you guys to stay tuned. As you guys can see, we got stickers all over the car now, just to give it a little more aggressive look. Bro, just look at that wrap. This is the most beautiful wrap in my eyes that I've ever seen on a car, especially on an M340. You could never go wrong with this color, bro. And the matte finish that it has, or satin. But we got the carbon duct, you know, for a little airflow to the turbo. And everything's on the car so far. I don't really want to show too much because we have a lot more coming. So I want you guys to stay tuned and comment down in the comment section what you guys think I should maybe do next to the car. I'm not sure. I think I'm basically finished with it. I'll show you the carbon fiber trunk that I have on it. So we got the carbon fiber trunk right here with all sponsors, all the people that we've bought stuff from, got discounts and stuff like that from them. Everyone here is the GOAT, and the shop that's building my car, shout out to them at King's Auto. So peace, I'll see you on the POV drive. Also, we're gonna do a first startup. So for all the people that haven't heard what the car sounds like, this is what it sounds like on a startup. Okay guys, so right now we're in the car. We're on the way to the shop to drop it off to get the other stuff done. It's just I want you guys to hear what the car sounds like from the outside, but it's very, very sketchy right now, bro. It's like really sketchy. So I'm not even sure if I can do a little hit. You can hear the turbo a little bit, just a tiny bit. Bro, the car sounds amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this little POV drive until I get there at the shop, and you guys could see what the shop looks like. I mean, I have a few videos. Probably when the video just started, you guys probably saw a clip of me being at the shop with the other sick Beamers that are there. All of them are fired. Let's do a hit on this hill right quick. You can hear the T51 Armad, bro. This shit sounds crazy. just love this car. This car. Okay guys, we're back. We're here guys. We only got 6 minutes left. Damn bro, that was a headache driving on the highway. Let me see if I can get some sound clips. Bro, I can't get enough of this car, bro. I can't wait till it's dry season again. Oh, where is your tollmate, sir? This car is screaming for help. Is like, please get me off the leash. That's literally what it's saying right now to me, bro. I just wish I could rip it right now. The thing about it is because it has an open wastegate, like two dumb tubes from the wastegate, and then I have the open dump is very, very loud. Sounds good though. We got 3 minutes left. Sounds amazing. Turn on the light right quick so you guys can see the inside footage. cars over here are covered in snow, bruh. Oh, we finally made it. Damn, bro, these BMWs over here are saucy.